Hey everybody, this is your professor, Dr. Roberts. Welcome to my basement. So this is what I'm calling the bunker while all this is going on. So we're here to talk about some of our course adjustments that we're having to make because of this virus. I would love to have you guys all in class, see your bright and smiling faces or your cloudy and grouchy selves every Tuesdays and Thursdays. But unfortunately, I no longer get that pleasure. So let's make the best of it of what we can. So, very few syllabus changes. There's no changes to the grading. So what you guys have is what you're going to be graded on. Nothing's shifting, nothing's being altered here. So our presentations for our procurement project, where you guys have that large data file and you're trying to figure out stuff on it, we're going to be presenting using Zoom on the days of our presentation. We might just put it all in one day just to get it done with. That's if you guys have the availability. Now, what we need to do here is make sure everybody can use that software adequately. Now, you can call in, so you don't need to have a webcam. You don't need to have a computer that can get on the internet. Although, I would love for you to be visible using a webcam and a computer. While the webcam is highly encouraged, it is not required. Like I said, not required, but I'd love to see your faces. I enjoy having you guys in class because, you're in my industry. You guys are getting there. So seeing you guys develop brings a lot of joy. So most assignment due dates have not changed. There's only one change, and that's topic 9 quick checks, which were due on the 26th of March, but are now due the 31st of March. That's a Tuesday. So I just pushed it back to the next Tuesday, and it's due by midnight. Shouldn't be a problem for you guys. I've already adjusted it in eCampus, so make sure to get those easy points. So miscellaneous items. You guys have probably heard multiple rumors about final exams. Final exams are not canceled. They're not being changed. The only thing that may change, and it's not official, is that they might expand the time period of final exams. Now imagine, there's 30,000 students on the Morgantown campus, right? So the servers are not meant to handle all that many people at one time. So they're going to try to spread this out. They might add a couple days in the beginning, a couple days at the end, so that way everybody can get on and it won't crash the system. So we'll see what happens. And as soon as I know, you guys will know. Now, I need to know if you guys have any technology issues. My goal is to do my lectures on YouTube, and then you guys can watch them at your convenience when you have the time. I know not everybody has reliable internet. Even my house has been affected. So having issues like that could be something we can overcome. So if you don't have internet connectivity or very low bandwidth, or you have a computer issue, I need to know as soon as possible. So let me know. Now, you can let me know by sending me an email. So my Mix email address is jgr00001 at mix.edu, or I'm sorry, mix.wvu.edu. Just like your guys' Mix, just jgr00001. And your emails must have our course number in the subject line. So GSCM 350. That way I can get to your emails first. You guys are in the major. I want to take care of you guys. So imagine there's roughly 33 of you, but there's 328 in vCore 360. So I sorted down by these subject lines to see how I can get through my emails fastest. Right now I'm keeping up, but I'd like to maintain that. So because I don't have a physical office for you guys to come to, I'm changing it to online office hours. So if you go onto our course homepage and click on Course Home tab, you'll see, it says, welcome to class, email the professor, and right above email the professor is office hours, and it says schedule here. Click on that. It will ask you what course, what day, what time, your name, your phone number, and what you want to talk about. So I will send you a Zoom link. That way you guys can participate. It will be a generic link. So if you have something private to talk about, let me know that it's private and I will set up a separate Zoom link for it. That way no one just enters into the Zoom because we've gone long in our time block. I've made 15-minute blocks. If it takes 30 minutes, I'm fine with that. If it takes 2 minutes, I'm fine with that also. I'm here for you guys. So on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, I have times available. So hopefully that's enough for you guys. So because of everything that's going on, we got to take care of ourselves and our families. So wash your hands often with soap and water. They say 20 seconds, which is basically singing happy birthday twice. Now, if you don't want to sing happy birthday, think of your favorite song and try to go about at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. We've all heard that. It's almost impossible to do. I've probably done it twice or so during this little video. Clean and disinfect surfaces that are frequently touched, such as your mobile phone. Imagine what you touch with your own hand, and then you touch your phone. Then you shove your phone in your pocket. Then you touch other surfaces. Then you grab your phone. You pick up your phone. You answer it. You put it next to your ear. Now whatever was on your phone is now on your ear. You see the issue going on here? So one thing you can do is spray some type of cleaner onto a rag and then wipe your phone. Don't spray the cleaner onto your phone. You don't want to damage your phone, right? So if you do it that way, that's what I do. That's what my wife does. You'll be fine. So practice social distancing, right? We've all heard this in the news. It's now the new phrase for this thing. 6 feet, 2 meters, whatever mode of measurement you want to use. So if you're walking outside, and somebody's coming the opposite direction, cross the other side of the street. Maintain that distance. So if you have more questions on the coronavirus, you can go to the website coronavirus.wvu.edu. There's a student section. There's a tab there. Click on students. Tell you everything you guys need to know. You can check out the faculty stuff. You can check out all the other stuff. I mean, it's a website. Go to wherever you want to get your information. So WVU Medicine, the Ruby Hospital, has set up a phone number that you can call if you think you might have the virus or symptoms, somebody you love has the virus, a friend. So if you believe it could be it, or related, call this phone number, 304-598-6000, and then when you get prompted, option 4, and you'll actually speak to somebody at the hospital, and they'll tell you, oh no, that's the flu, go to your pharmacy, we'll set you up with a Z-Pack or something like that. Or they'll say, okay, you possibly have it, and we want you guys to come in, but we need to prep for that, so we'll see you in 30 minutes or whatever. They need to be aware if you're going to come in with that, and they'll let you know. They have policies in place. And don't just go to your regular doctor if you use another doctor. Call first. Well, your doctor's office might be closed. And if they're open, they need to take precautions and do stuff for your office, or their office, to make sure that if you do have it, that no one else is affected. So what we need to do is protect each other, right? So call that phone number and they'll let you know what's going on. All right? So if you guys have anything, any questions, comments, concerns, send me an email. And then depending on your concern, I might set up a voice or a Zoom meeting. That way we can talk face to face. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the semester. We only have 5 weeks left. It's the home stretch. You guys are doing great, and I expect great things. So I look forward to seeing you guys on the 30th, and I want you guys to have a great weekend. Enjoy the time. Get out of the house. Go walking around. Get some exercise. So that way you guys can stay healthy, because exercise will boost your immune system and everything will be great. So I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday, and have a great weekend.